Creating captchas with Swarmauri SDK, an interactive security solution. First thing first, we have to check the versions we are using. So I'm checking the Python, the Swarmauri, and the Gradio versions I'm currently using. So I'm going to check them right now. So I'm using Python 3.10.12 and my Swarmauri SDK is version 0.4.3 and the Gradio version is version 4.44.0. Now moving on. So I'll be importing the necessary modules. So I'll be importing the OS module, the base64 module, the bytes 10 module, the image module, the Gradio module, load.env, the crack2 model, the tool agent, the captcha generator tool, the conversation, and the toolkit. Now let me run this. Now I need to fetch my API key from my environment variable. Then I need to initialize the crack2 model. Then I want to initialize my captcha tool, my captcha generator tool. Then I want to create a toolkit. Then I want to create the tool agent interface. Then I need to run the code. So I'm running it on a local server, as you can see. Then I need to test it out. So I'm going to impute Swarmauri. Yes, so this is a captcha of the text Swarmauri. So you can regenerate different versions, and when you are done you can simply download it, or you can check it in full screen. Just click on download and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on GitHub and contribute to our repository.